I'm going to show you how to share GIFs on your Instagram notes. So the first thing we should do is make sure that our Instagram app is newly updated. This is a new feature with Instagram. So a quick way to check that is to actually go over to your app store, and let's go to the top right hand corner, and then you want to go down to where it says app updates and just make sure that Instagram is updated. If it isn't, it'll be here, and then you can go ahead and update it from there. If you're all good to go, come on out of here and let's go to Instagram. And you want to go down to the message button at the bottom of your screen here, and then you want to go ahead and click on your note here at the top left hand corner. So from here, as you see, you'll have a GIF option here. And from here, let's just choose a random gift here. It doesn't really matter here. Let's just type something in here. And I'll just type in Disney. And what we can do is go ahead and choose a gift here, and then your gift comes up. And then what we can do is go ahead and type a message in. I'll just hit Disney here. And you can either share it with your friends here at the bottom left-hand corner here, or you could choose it with your close friends. I'm just going to hit the close friends area here. And then what you can do here is go ahead and hit share. And now that note has popped up in your notes, and now anyone that you can share it with will now see it once they open up the message tab on Instagram. So it's real easy to go ahead and share your note, make a new one. You can go ahead and leave a new note or delete the note that you currently just posted, but that's it. It's super simple and super easy to share GIFs on your Instagram note.